wanted to share a couple other ideas with you using glass. Sometimes when we use glass, we want parts of it to show, and other times we want it to completely take on a new and different application. And that's exactly what we're going to show you, both ideas. Here we've pre-cut a piece of the fantasy wrap. And again, we look at the pattern, and do we want it more of a stripe going this way, or do we want more of a horizontal going this way? So it again gives you that option of looking at the look that you want to create. So I've already created the pattern on here. I'm now going to remove the protective coating. I'll line my glass up here. Often when we're called upon to do event work, we want to make something impressive in color and size, but when we put it on a table, obviously we have to be sensitive to the fact that we need to be able to see across the table. So glass works out very, very well for that. So here's a great idea to give it just a little bit more punch and a little bit more color to add to the theme. As you can see, we've taken our fantasy wraps and have cut them in different sizes, in different widths, so it allows us to give some interest in here in this banding effect. So we could easily come into the bottom, give some weight down at the bottom, either visually with some marbles or stones, which will actually add some physical weight in there too. You could do colors to enhance this, either a blue palette or even a silver, black, iridescent, depending on the look that you want to create. And then you see where I've just taken the bands and gone across here the fantasy wraps. Now, the other fun thing too is that we can add additional pieces to this, and that way it gives us a little bit more dimension as well. So you see what I've done here is to take little stripes of the same material and to give your eye just a little bit more impact to look at. Or you could easily leave it flat, as we've done on this side as well, where the two ends do meet together. So again, lots of options for you. You know, the ease of design is what's amazing on this. Use the adhesive that we have in place. Smooth it as I go. That easy, that simply done. I'm ready to go to the party. How about you? All it takes is a little bit of creativity and the fantasy wraps from Fitz Design.